So Reese, you can solve the Rubik's Cube now, right? What's your fastest time?
49 seconds.
49 seconds. That's pretty impressive. Were you aware of the legend of Sonny in the Rubik's Cube? Let me tell you what happened. Basically, Sonny solved the Rubik's Cube whilst being spun around in his chair, whilst saying his ABCs backwards, whilst having objects thrown at him. Is this something you would like to attempt today?
Absolutely.
Okay, so Rock, you will spin the chair.
That's me.
Georgia, what do you have?
Marshmallows.
Georgia will be throwing marshmallows at you. Here are your protective goggles. Okay, we're not going for time here. We're just going for the combination. You ready? On your marks, get set, go.
Z-Y-X W-V-U-T-S O-U-V L-K-J-I-H-G F-E-D-C-B-A Now I know my ABCs.
Backwards.
Now I know my ABCs.
Backward.
Now
Hey.
I know my ABCs.
Backwards.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
Keep going.
Backwards CBAs, I know mine now.
Gotta do the chorus.
Congratulations.